In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chatgpt to Notion in just 5 minutes. This integration is a fantastic way to enhance your productivity by automating workflows between these two powerful platforms. Whether you're managing tasks or brainstorming ideas, integrating Chatgpt into Notion can streamline your processes and save you time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign up for accounts with Zapier, Notion, and OpenAI. These platforms are essential for establishing a seamless connection between Notion and Chatgpt. If you haven't done so already, take a moment to create these accounts. Once you're logged in, we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Head over to Zapier, where the magic of automation begins. You'll want to click on Create Zap to get started. Creating a Zap is like setting up a smart bridge that connects different software and applications, allowing them to work together effortlessly. Think of it as the engine that will power our integration. Now, with your Zap initiated, you'll want to set Notion as your trigger. This is a crucial step because the trigger is what kicks off the entire automation process. Essentially, it's the event that starts your Zap and tells it to spring into action. Once you've selected Notion, the next step is to connect your Notion account to Zapier. This will require authentication, but once it's done, you'll be able to access your Notion workspace directly through Zapier. From there, select the database you want to use. Choosing the right database ensures that your information flows properly between Notion and Chatgpt. We're halfway there, so hang in there. The next part is to add OpenAI, specifically Chatgpt, as the action in your Zap setup. This means that whenever the trigger event occurs in Notion, Chatgpt will perform a task or action, such as processing data or generating responses. For this, choose an action like Send Prompt to initiate communication with Chatgpt. Here's an important step. Map the fields from your Notion database into the Chatgpt prompt. This ensures that the correct information from Notion is sent over to Chatgpt, allowing it to process the data accurately. To complete your Zap, add another action. You can map Chatgpt's responses back into a Notion field of your choice. This step ensures that the information processed by Chatgpt is seamlessly integrated back into your Notion workflow, keeping everything organized and accessible. Finally, it's time to test your Zap and ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you're satisfied that the automation is working as it should, go ahead and turn on the Zap. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Chatgpt to Notion. Enjoy your newfound productivity boost as Notion and Chatgpt now work together to streamline your tasks and ideas. Thank you for watching and happy automating.